In the early 1900s, Black Wall Street in Greenwood, Tulsa, Oklahoma, was a beacon of Black excellence and self-sufficiency. By the time World War I erupted in 1914, Greenwood had already cemented itself as an economic powerhouse, proving that Black wealth and community strength were not just dreams, they were reality. Many Black soldiers fought overseas, risking their lives for a country that denied them full rights at home. When they returned, they found Greenwood booming. Black doctors, lawyers, entrepreneurs, and families creating generational wealth, all without reliance on mainstream white institutions. But on May 31, 1921, envy and hatred ignited one of the worst racial atrocities in American history. White mobs, aided by law enforcement, destroyed Black Wall Street, leaving thousands homeless and hundreds dead. The government never fully compensated the victims. Yet, from the ashes, the spirit of Black enterprise never died. Fast forward to 2025. The question isn't whether we can rebuild Black Wall Street, it's how we do it for the modern world. This is Black Wall Street 2.0, not just one location, but a nationwide movement powered by innovation, technology, and cooperative economics. We compete in the online space with Black-owned tech startups, digital marketplaces, and AI-powered business solutions. Controlling our own narratives through Black-owned streaming platforms, film studios, and digital media networks ensures our voices are heard and our stories are told authentically. Instead of waiting for reparations, we build our own financial institutions and investment groups. We train the next generation in coding, AI, and engineering to ensure Black leadership in the future economy. We reclaim land, build affordable housing, and create self-sustaining communities with green energy. Black Wall Street was never just a place, it was an idea, and ideas never die. In 2025 and beyond, we don't just rebuild. We evolve, innovate, and own our future. This is Black Wall Street 2.0. Are you ready? If your answer is yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, like, and share this video. We must come together as a community now. There's no time to waste in this tumultuous climate. Stay tuned for our Black-owned businesses videos and where to shop. Let's keep our dollars in our communities. And go to thinkgreenwoodnow.com to sign a petition for our cultural lives.